Kahit matagal, basta't nanggaling sa Panginoon ay ayos lang. God is always on time. We're just being impatient. May nagsabi sa akin noon ng, ang nagmamadali ay madalas nagkakamali. True enough in life, when you try to force things to happen or to work out in your favor, the more it never happen. Habol ka ng habol pero lalo kang lumalayo. Dear, it might be a sign for you to slow down and allow God's will to overtake you. Alam kong pagod ka na, pero mas lalong nakakapagod kapag pinilit mong tapusin at habulin ang lahat ng bagay ng mag-isa. Lord, kahit matagal, basta't siguradong galing sa'yo, ay maghihintay ako. If it's God's will for you, it will never pass you by. If it's for you, it will always arrive on time. If it's meant for you, no one can stop it from happening. With love and prayers, Noel.